Toots Hibbert, the man who coined the word reggae, and is said to own the copyright. Frederick Toots Hibbert, the frontman of the group, was born in Maypen, Clarendon, Jamaica, in 1942, the youngest of 7 children. He grew up singing gospel music in a church choir and moved to Kingston in the late 1950s. Toots and the Maytals, who first got together in 1962, deserve a special nod since their 1968 single Do They Reggae was actually the first popular song to use the word reggae, and likely gave the genre its name. In 1972 the group won the Jamaican Independence Festival popular song competition for a 3rd time with Pump and Pride. That year, the group contributed 2 songs to the soundtrack for The Harder They Come, the 1972 film starring Jimmy Cliff, named as one of Vanity Fair's top 10 soundtracks of all time. The film introduced Jamaican music to American audiences, and the band appears in one of the scenes. Reggae emerged in the late 1960s and can be identified by time signature of 4/4, with heavy accent placed on the 2nd and 4th beats of the bar. Strophic form, a repeated verse and chorus. Typical rock line-up, vocals, backing vocals, electric guitars, bass guitar and drum kit. Donald Trump was quoted as appreciating the reggae music of Toots and the Maytals in 2004 when he said, "I heard the guest band, Toots and the Maytals, practicing out on the set of Saturday Night Live." Trump was the guest host on an episode in April 2004. "They sounded terrific, and I went out to listen to them for a while. My daughter Ivanka had told me how great they were, and she was right. The music relaxed me, and surprisingly, I was not nervous." In May 2013, Hibbert was struck in the head with a 1.75-liter vodka bottle, while performing on stage at a Richmond, Virginia, festival. His injuries resulted in a concussion, and treatment required 6 staples in his head. The man who threw the bottle was arrested, and despite Hibbert's pleas for clemency to the judge, was given a 6-month sentence. Hibbert's letter to the judge also detailed the extent of his injury. "I continue to suffer from extreme anxiety, memory loss, headaches, dizziness and most sadly of all, a fear of crowds and performing. I am not able to write songs as I did before, or remember the lyrics of songs that I wrote, and have performed for decades." After his injury, Hibbert cancelled all subsequent performances, and the group did not perform live again until 2016. In 2015, Vogue listed the song, 54 to 46 Was My Number by Toots and the Maytals as one of their 15 roots reggae songs you should know. Toots and the Maytals have been cited as an inspiration, for other music artists, when it comes to career longevity.